I am at a co-working space right now. I am checking out the building because I am thinking about getting an office space for, just working and setting it up how I want it. So when you walk in, you have this face covering right there, or not face covering, a temperature checker. That's my mom. Say hi, mom. So yeah, you have to check your temperature and everything. It's really nice, really chill. So we're gonna see what it is and yeah.
Hey, hi, hello, welcome, and welcome back. It's your girl, Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Portia as well. It is a little echoey in here, and my apologies for that. But if you can't already tell, I'm kind of in a new space, a new area, and I got a studio space. How crazy and insane is that? I hated my setup at home. I absolutely hated it. I did not like it. I did not have the creative process. Like, I just felt really, really not creative, and I just couldn't concentrate. I just needed a space where I could separate home from work. And I know this is a little bit unusual for a lot of YouTubers. The best part about being a YouTuber is that you are away from everyone and you can just be in front of your camera and just do whatever you want and not have people staring at you. But every YouTuber is different, okay? Everybody is different. I keep saying do something a little bit different, but this is really isn't anything different. There's nothing like out of the ordinary or spectacular about getting like an office space or a studio space, but it's really cool to me. So I just wanted to have a space where I could give the quality, top tier content that I know I can produce, and I just wasn't producing that at home, and I just did not like it. So if you guys were wondering, the noises are still here though, that's a given. So if you guys are wondering where I was for like the past 3 weeks, this is what I have been doing. I have been planning and going back and forth with the studio space. I got a studio space with the company called Industrious. They have been super helpful and just really like flexible and negotiable with everything that I was asking for and what I needed. And shout out to Carrie, she's amazing. I have my studio space. Somewhere in this clip I'm going to show you like a pan around the whole entire studio space. As you can see, I haven't really decorated anything yet because today is my very first day in here. I literally just signed this on Tuesday. Today is Friday, and So as you can see, I kind of have like these poster boards, like right behind me. It looks real janky right now, you guys. I'm not even gonna flex, but don't worry about it because I'm going to take you guys with me to style this whole studio for how I want it now. So a few things. One, I was not expecting to get a studio space this big. And fun fact, I don't have a studio space this big. Technically, the studio space that I do have, or the studio space that I paid for, is currently being occupied. So I will not actually be in my actual studio space until August. So in the meantime, I got this big old space to myself. Why are they spoiling me like this? I don't even understand. So I'm trying to style this office space exactly how I want it, but I also need to realize that I cannot use this whole entire space and then move directly into a box right after. So I have to be really, what's the word I'm looking for? Intentional with my planning. So I think I'm gonna get 2 bookshelves to go behind me. There are, once again, in the video where I'm showing you guys the space, there are 4 different desks in here. So I'm having them take the desks out. I'm probably only gonna keep 2. This is probably gonna be like, this side is probably just going to be like my filming side, and then I have 2 desks over there to just like work and edit and all that other stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I've been vlogging the whole for the most part, I've been vlogging the whole process. Pretty nice view, and it gives off a ton of daylight. I would show you guys the outside, and I think I kind of did give you guys a little preview, but it does show a lot of where I'm at, and honestly, there's psychos on the internet, so I don't want anyone to know where I'm at. But yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are excited, like I am excited for what's to come, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and share this video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this video if you want to see more, and if you want to see how I style the studio. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.